So at this time, if you would be kind enough to mute yourself, and we will definitely let you know when to take yourself off mute to celebrate our graduates. Good morning, everyone. I am Elise Levine, and I'm the Associate Director of Healthcare Training Programs at JVS SoCal, and I'm thrilled that you can join us this morning for our HealthWorks graduation. For those of you who are unfamiliar with JVS SoCal, we're a nonprofit agency celebrating our 90th anniversary this year. We've been offering hope and opportunity to our diverse Southern California community since 1931. Many things have changed since our founding, but our mission remains the same: building better lives, one job at a time, by empowering individuals to achieve dignity and economic independence through sustainable employment. And now, a special message to our employer partners and sponsors.
Thanks, Elise. Hi, I'm Neil Mendelson, and I'm the Chief Strategy Officer of JVS SoCal. It's my honor to oversee our JVS Works career training programs. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the employer partners and funders that support the HealthWorks career training program. Our funding partners include Belmont Village, Cedars-Sinai, Bank of California, Union Bank, Comerica Bank, CIT One West Bank, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Pacific Western Bank, the Deutsche Foundation, the William Randolph Hearst Foundations, Rose Hills Foundation, the Pfaffinger Foundation, the Ralph M. Parsons Foundation, the UniHealth Foundation, the State of California Employment Training Panel, Terry and Jerry Cole, the JVS Women's Leadership Network, and a special shout out to our partners in Orange County, the Orange County Community Foundation, Golden West College, and Saddleback College. We're grateful for all of your support. You make our life-changing programs and services possible. We'd also like to thank our training partners, Annenberg School of Nursing and Los Angeles Skills Academy. I'm also pleased to acknowledge the following employers present with us today. They include Belmont Village, Sunrise Senior Living, Children's Hospital Los Angeles, Altamed, Atria Living, Silverado Senior Living, and Genesis Healthcare. We have a number of our board members present today. Welcome to Rick Powell, Harris Smith, Leland Felsenthal, Samantha Howe. Forgive me if I've missed anybody. We're honored to have you here. We're also joined today by several JVS SoCal executives: Alan Levy, Ted Feldman, Randy Lappin, Kim Fedrick, Diane Shapiro, Carol Tremblay, Lindsay Thomas, Jorge Lazaro, Suzanne Watson, and the one and only Jay Soloway, soon to have a graduation of his own. A big shout out to the entire JVS Works team for the great work you do every day and for making our career training program successful. Finally, and most important, here's to you, our graduating class. Congratulations and good luck in your new careers. We're proud of you. And now it's my honor to introduce Mercedes Washington, Program Manager, who works to empower our students in our HealthWorks career training programs. Mercedes, take it away.
Thank you, Neil. And welcome, everyone. We really appreciate you being in attendance today to celebrate this special group of students. I would like to welcome one of our HealthWorks alumni, Miyako Green. She is a bright young woman that exemplifies all that our program has to offer. Welcome, Miyako.
Hello, everyone. How are you? As Ms. Mercedes stated, I actually graduated from Annenberg, and I am a HealthWorks alumni. So I went through the same process that you guys went through, and I know how excited you guys are. Just to give you a little bit background about me, I actually joined the military when I was right after high school. Thought I wanted to be a dentist, became a dental technician, left the Air Force, and came out in the civilian world and realized that I wanted to do nursing. So right around the time that I joined HealthWorks, I was super excited because I didn't know that there were actually any programs out there like this that would basically, pay for everything, have everything wrapped up in like a inclusive manner of your uniform, your training, just everything. So I was super excited to be able to work with HealthWorks, and I went through the same process, like I said. Went through Annenberg, had some of the same instructors that you guys have had, and I worked as a CNA for right around the 2-year mark, and then I decided I wanted to go and do my LVN. So I just now finished with my LVN, I want to say in July. I just finished with my LVN, so I'm waiting around at this moment to take my board, basically. I'm actually at work right now, but I wanted to take the time out to speak with you guys because when I was CNA, I had a whole bunch of questions and I was super excited. So I wanted to just touch bases on some things that maybe I had questions about as a CNA when I first became one. One of the things is that whatever you learn in school, it's almost just like getting your toes wet. Like you are not going to learn everything that you need to know as a nurse. You're never going to know 100% of everything. That's number one. Number two is always to ask questions, always to keep a notebook on you and a pen because there's going to be something that you need to write down. Find yourself a mentor, someone that's able to educate you and guide you for whatever career path that you see fit for yourself. Um, CNA and nursing itself is just a broad range, right? I didn't even know as a CNA that I could like do travel nursing and one-on-one or work at the hospital. There is a broad range of things. So you have to find out what best fits you so that when you go to work every day, you feel good, you feel happy, because that's like the overall goal. I mean, this is one of the career fields where burnout is a part of the career field, right? So you definitely want to find something that fits you and suits you and your personality. I would definitely say if you are one of the CNAs that want to someday become an LPN or RN, that you definitely take advantage of all of the opportunities that you have with an LPN or RN that says, oh, could you help me do this? Or could you help me do that? If someone's calling you in to help them position a patient to put in a catheter or anything, that's your moment right there to, you know, visualize what they're doing, ask any questions. That actually helped me significantly in my journey to, do my LVN because I was always there willing to help and ask all type of questions whenever the LVN or RN asked me to assist them with the patient. So by the time I went to LVN school, I could like piece together some of the stuff that I had learned on the job and the questions that I had asked and also the theory, right? This is your opportunity to really make a difference and help. And you're able to visual see the help that you're actually giving. Unlike other career fields where you're like, oh, I did this for someone and I wonder how that turned out, or um, not being able to see the results right then and there. This is a career field where immediately when you're helping someone, you can see the results. You can see the smile on their face. You can see them make it out of surgery. Sometimes they'll come back after they've done their rehab or whatever. So you're able to visually see the help and assistance that you've given. So I am like super excited for this program and just want to be involved in any way possible because they help me so like if you call Mercedes or anyone at the JVS workforce to help you with anything that you need to receive help with when it comes to obtaining your goal and becoming a nurse or CNA, they will be right there with you and they will assist you in any way they possibly. So I want to thank you guys just for letting me share this moment with you guys. I could ramble all day, but it's definitely something you guys are going to be excited about. So I wish you guys all the best and I wish you guys well. Thank you for letting me share this moment with you guys.
Thank you, Miyako. We really appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule. And we congratulate you, especially on number one, being an LVN. We know that you're going to do excellent when you take your boards. But this is an example of a CNA coming back and giving back, because not only did she graduate from Annenberg with her certificate as a CNA, she went back to Annenberg to achieve her LVN. So we're extremely proud of you. And speaking of graduates, it's now that time to recognize our current class. So I'm excited for this group. As mentioned earlier, HealthWorks was founded in 2002, and our goal remains the same in 2021. HealthWorks is a signature career training program that offers individuals hope and opportunity. As an instructor, I am guided by our mission, building better lives, one job at a time, by empowering individuals to achieve dignity and economic independence through sustainable employment. This cohort of 7 has completed 120 clinical hours and 40 hours of CNA theory. They have attended essential skill classes where they learn the value of communication, patient service, professional etiquette, resume building, and also negotiation. Further, they have shown up on time for their weekly Zoom classes and maintained their academic commitments while supporting their loved ones. Most recently, they passed modules that focused on enhancing their understanding of dementia, disability, and aging. In addition to their certified nursing assistant, restorative nursing assistant, and essential skills certificates, they also have their BLS and CPR cards. Each student has expressed their appreciation for JVS and this unique opportunity. I could go on about this class and all their many attributes. However, I will conclude by saying how extremely grateful I am for their willingness to be of service to those in need. They are the frontline essential workers that are so vital and extremely important. Congratulations, graduates. It has truly been an honor and a privilege. From admission to culmination, you deserve all the best. Look forward to remaining in contact with you to hear all the amazing things you accomplished from this point forward. And now we'll recognize our graduates. Alicia Aldegar. Meet Alicia, everyone. She's a graduate of the University of Phoenix. She holds an associate's in health administration and medical records. She also has her medical assistant certificate. Alicia is a compassionate young woman that wants to help vulnerable populations. She is self-aware and has taken many opportunities to share her experiences to help classmates understand diverse life cycles. She is selfless. To her credit, she has served as a volunteer working with veterans. She also has great customer service skills and a willingness to serve. She will be an asset to any employer looking for a rising star at their facility. Congratulations, Alicia. Meet Christine. Christine De Vera has a heart of gold. She was always early for class and extremely chipper with a much ready and needed smile. She has over 10 years of nonprofit experience. As a manager at Love You Much Rescue, she recruited, supervised, and trained over 1,000 volunteers and saved hundreds of animals. She is also a licensed pharmacy technician. She is caring, kind, and has a wealth of customer service experience. Wherever she lands, her patients will be enamored by her kindness and attention to detail. Congratulations, Christine. Crystal Hernandez holds a PhD in mothering. She is responsible for managing the schedules of her children and extended family members. She is skilled at negotiating bedtime, screen time, and giving extra hugs and encouragement. Outside of her accomplishments at home, she is also great at conflict resolution. She has supervised as many as 12 employees, been recognized as Employee of the Month, and she's also a fast learner. In her previous role as a personal carer, she was responsible for providing in-home support. She will be an awesome CNA because she genuinely cares about others. Congratulations, Crystal. Meet Emily Ortega. Emily comes to HealthWorks with a wealth of experience. She has a BA in theater arts from San Jose State. She also has a strong customer service background. Previously, she received recognition for her strong work ethic and guest satisfaction. She embodies dedication. When her transcript didn't come through on time, she flew to her home state of Oregon to go get one in person and return just so that she could be prepared for the first day of class and have all of the appropriate registration materials. That really impressed me. In addition, she's bilingual. She is kind and was a joy to teach. Emily has an extremely bright future in the nursing field. Congratulations, Emily. Jocelyn Sis graduated from CSU with a Bachelor of Science in Biology. She has worked in customer service as a server. During that time, she was responsible for training others and ensuring that safety measures were in place to clean and maintain a sanitized work environment. She is reliable, friendly, and follows directions extremely well. Her ability to anticipate needs and go the extra mile will lead to success in her future place of employment. Jocelyn speaks Spanish and possesses a deep commitment to taking care of others. She has a quiet strength that will serve her well during her healthcare journey. I enjoy teaching her. Congratulations, Jocelyn. Meet Leslie Martinez. Leslie is an amazing individual. She has spent the past 4 years providing direct care services at a local organization that supports individuals with cerebral palsy. Her day-to-day responsibilities include bathing, feeding, grooming, and cooking. She uses her excellent record-keeping skills to record patient information in their care plans. Most recently, she trained 5 new hires. She is bilingual. She is also a certified inclusion facilitator. Leslie is very driven. When I interviewed her, the class was already full. Nonetheless, she called me regularly to ask if a space had opened up. Following a change in enrollment, she was able to join. She made the most of this opportunity, even while still working full-time. She is always looking for new ways to improve. She will be an asset anywhere she is hired. Megan Sandoval has a Bachelor of Arts in Television Production from Cal State University at Northridge. Having worked in various industries, she will bring a high level of proficiency to her workplace because she adapts well to change, and she's also a self-starter. She demonstrates a high level of empathy and really wants to make a difference. As a behavioral interventionist, she provided one-to-one therapy for her clients. Her patience and friendly demeanor will serve her well. She is someone that has a thirst for knowledge and always pushes herself towards the next goal. She is empathetic and compassionate. Congratulations, Megan. At this point, we'd like everyone to take themselves off mute so that we can applaud our graduates.
Congratulations.
Congrats,
Good job.
Go, Leslie.
Congratulations.
And good luck on your test tomorrow.
Go, Jocelyn, sis.
All right, fantastic. So thank you everyone for sending that amazing energy out to them. And as Elise mentioned, they're taking their state exams tomorrow. So they're excited about this milestone. They have one more to go. And I want to reflect on that. This has been a challenging and life-changing 8 weeks for them. I know the commitment it took to not only start this, but finish. I have been cheering each of them on along this journey, and I couldn't be more thrilled to see you begin your healthcare careers. To our guests, thank you for joining us during this milestone event as we help our graduates launch new careers and build better futures for themselves and their families. HealthWorks is the perfect illustration of the public-private, philanthropic, and nonprofit partnership. By combining our resources and expertise, we have the power to change lives. It takes a village, and our combined vision and efforts will produce the results we wish to see. The commitment to support those in need in our community is shared by every one of our employer partners here today, our foundation supporters, and our individual donors. On behalf of the people we serve, I thank each and every one of you for doing everything you do to help us achieve our mission. To our graduates, you made it. All the sacrifices have brought you here. Please keep in touch and also refer other interested people to our program. You can help change someone's life. Please make sure and reach out anytime. We are here for you. As Neil mentioned this morning, if there's anything that happens where you feel like you need support, call on JVS. Let us know if your phone number or address changes, when you get that promotion, or any other exciting event in your life. You will now be joining our growing alumni network, and you never know when your path may cross with another HealthWorks alumni. And now for a few announcements. Don't forget to like us, follow us, and share your experience on social media so you can help us spread the word about this amazing program. We've recently rolled out some really new, amazing things on social media. So I'm hoping that you guys will share, retweet, and connect with others in your network. We are now concluding our program. Thank you again and have a great day.